What is up, guys? I have a package. I have a package from RBT that I have not opened yet, and I'm guessing there's a Milaana 2 in here. So we're opening this up together. Start with we got some paper. Ooh, oh man. God, I love getting his packages. Got a nice little package, little thing right here. And what do we got? We got a stir tool. We got some fiber. And we got a stem. We got some more stir tools in there. I'm guessing it's a stem unless it's a battery. But I'm always down with more glass. Yeah, look at that. Some nice, clean smelling cut glass. Awesome. All right. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh man. I'm excited. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh my God. Oh man. Look at that. Holy shit. God, that is so shiny. Oh man. Whew. So nice. See the air inlet right there? I think you guys can see. Sorry, I'm kind of crowded over here. Look at the size difference. It doesn't look like much, but the second I picked it up, it was just like, holy shit, that is small. And it doesn't have, this is like the nice rounded, this is more of a squarish on this side. I think it keeps it even smaller that way, so it doesn't have to jut out as much. Let's loosen this up. It's looking nice. All right, well, I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but I mean, it's pretty fucking pristine. Jesus. Man, I'm excited. All right, let's, got a battery here. Let's drop her in. None of my Milaanas have ever used a guitar pick, so let's see if I can get this working properly. Oh, I can't do my little blow through to see if it's heating. Let me do this real quick. Yeah. Making contact. All right, boys. I'm gonna go. Did he provide me with extra screens? That'll decide if I have to go run and get some or not. Nice, we got screens. So I'm gonna pop one of these guys out, throw them in the new stem, which is right here. Oh man. God, that's so nice. Holy shit. All right, I'm gonna load her up. We're gonna see what we can do. Test some differences. I mean, I imagine it's gonna be a lot like the Splinter, but unregulated. Am I wrong in thinking that? So for those who aren't fully caught up, the Milaana's got like, well, the original Milaana's got that huge airflow. Milaana 2's got a little smaller of a hole, so it helps to moderate the airflow a bit, hopefully get some thicker hits. The Splinter has 2 little holes on each side of the glass for the air intake, and this one has 1 right front and center. All right, look at that. We're already set to go right out of the box. I already charged up a bat. Let's do a couple second preheat, see how this goes, guys. Right away, just awesome flavs right away. You guys probably aren't going to be able to see any vapor with like this lighting how it is, so you'll just have to go with based off what I say. I'll try to get you some clouds, but that hit was so nice. I got no visible vapor, but I'm just testing the waters. I haven't used my Milaana since, when did I get my Zion? Like sometime before Christmas, so it's been probably like months since I've used my Milaana, to be honest. So Milaana 2, obviously haven't used a Milaana in forever, so just jumping right back into it after it's been a while. See what else I can get. Awesome flavs, awesome flavs. Still looking bright green. Just going nice and slow, warming up to it. It's been a long time, guys. I need my practice, so don't rush me here. All right, I'm gonna try to get a bigger rip here. Like I'm kind of scared. Didn't make contact that time. I think I moved it up a little. Let's see how that goes. Wow. Yeah. There we go. Let's check ABV. It's looking pretty solid. Pretty solid. There's a little bit on one side. It's a tad more vaped. Let's give it a stir. Wow. Can't get over how small it is. Like, you guys probably can't tell too much from just from this, but it feels so small in the hand. I noticed because this one was bigger than my OG Milaana, and every time I pick up my OG Milaana, it would seem so small in comparison. And that's how this one's feeling. God, I just can't believe the wood quality though. All right, let's go for another rip. God, it gets to temp so fast. This definitely runs hotter than my Spalted, which obviously, like, I'm okay with. Damn, it's wrecking me. I'm used to just grabbing the splinter, holding the button down, and just ripping. I'll be right back. Give me some water. All right, probably got one more in here. See how it goes. Just such easy clouds. So easy. Try to get a shot of that ABV towards the end. Well, that worked out nice. Not sure what else there is to note. Let's see if we can find any more differences. Is the button any lower or anything? Well, let me do this. I think it's thinner as well. God, the quality is just so nice. That's it, guys. That's about all I got. I don't know what else to say. Pretty stoked. I love it. Hell yeah. All right, guys.